только что снял на бах, блядь.
Putin attacked the Kharkiv region to create a buffer zone and prevent Ukrainian attacks on Russian territory, as he claimed. However, the Ukrainian defense stopped the attack, and attacks on Russian territory continue. In the Kursk region of Russia, the village of Yurevka was shelled, damaging 7 houses, 3 cars, the power supply, and the local gas pipeline. Meanwhile, in the Belhorod region, kamikaze drones attacked and destroyed 3 cars and a KAMAZ truck occupied by Russian forces. Explosions in Lipetsk overnight. Russian media report about the alleged downing of 36 UAVs during the repulse of a Ukrainian drone attack across 6 regions. Specifically, 15 drones were downed in the Kursk region, 9 in the Lipetsk region, 4 in the Voronezh region, 4 in the Bryansk region, 2 in the Oryol region, and 2 in the Belhorod region.
И все в левую сторону уходит прям. Охренеть.
Additionally, a fire broke out in Nizhny Novgorod at a waste disposal production site, affecting an area of 500 square meters.
Это я только что снял на бах, блядь.
The 44th Separate Artillery Brigade, named after Hetman Danilo Apostol, successfully destroyed an enemy fortified position during a nighttime operation. How old is this Russian prisoner even?
Я тебя нахуй не убью, блядь, обещаю. Значит, нормально пленных прибью, нахуй. Руки вверх подними.
Russian forces continued attacks on Kostiantynivka and Paraskovivka, with 6 assaults repelled in the last day. A video shows one assault involving 4 BMP-3 vehicles and infantry. A video appeared online that shows the Russian strike on a residential building in Dnipro. As of now, 1 person has died, 12 are injured. People have lost their homes. Belarus propagandists discuss U.S. presidential debate. They come to the conclusion that no candidate will be good for Russia. Both Trump and Biden are not ours. Ours are Lukashenko and Putin. Remember that once and for all.
Нет там наших кандидатов. Я когда читаю, что какой-то политолог сказал, вот этот наш, нету там. И Трамп, и Байден не наши. Наши это Лукашенко и Путин. Запомните это раз и навсегда. Все остальные не наши, никому верить нельзя. Пусть они там у себя разбираются. Наша задача быть сильными. А эти выборы американские ничего хорошего не принесут ни миру, на мой взгляд, ни Америке. Потому что один, что второй, мне и Трампа заявления очень многие не понравились. Они противоречили друг другу. В том числе, например, он сказал такую фразу. Я остановлю войну, но позиция Москвы по миру, она неприемлема. Дружище, а как же тогда остановишь ты Москву? Может, ты не будешь считаться с реалиями, которые сегодня существуют на поле боя? Будешь считаться. Поэтому много пиара. А какие будут реальные действия? Мы всегда знаем, что когда заезжает президент в Белый дом, все, что он говорил, иногда оказывается лишь словами. Поэтому наших нет. Наши, это вот еще раз повторюсь, Лукашенко и Путин.
NATO officials have strong suspicions that Russia may have mined critical EU submarine infrastructure in the North Sea, the British newspaper The Times reported. According to the publication, such fears are based on data obtained from companies managing key oil and gas rigs, pipelines, electricity, and telecommunications cables. Electricity and telephone cables, as well as oil and gas pipelines, were key targets for Russian intelligence services, especially after the start of Russia's full-scale military invasion of Ukraine in February 2022, the article states. According to the Belgian security services, no evidence of cable mining in Belgian or Dutch territorial waters in the North Sea was found. However, at the beginning of the war in Ukraine, explosives were found on one of the British cables. A study by Belgian newspaper De Tide, which used information from ship logs, found that more than 160 non-military Russian vessels had engaged in 945 suspicious activities over the past decade. At least 749 of the 945 suspicious maneuvers were carried out within 1 kilometer of pipelines in the North Sea, the Times material indicated. Another 72 suspicious actions were made in the area where electricity cables are located, and the remaining 124 in areas where telecommunications cables are laid. Russian knowledge of where cables and pipelines run is crucial if the Russians want to sabotage energy communication systems, tap into or manipulate communications cables, British journalists emphasize. In general, the scale of operations of Russian security services abroad has reached a level not seen since the Cold War, the publication says. Observers believe that Moscow has had to rely increasingly on foreign nationals, and in particular, representatives of the criminal world, to rebuild its network of agents after the expulsion of hundreds of Russian spies working in Western countries under the guise of diplomats.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.